Hello and welcome to the reveal of the Wiedergeboren, an Aussie-made Porsche 911 Resto mod built in Adelaide and revealed here at Youngtimers Garage in Melbourne. So today I'm going to give you a look around number one. This is the first car they've built and show you what it's all about. So I've been very fortunate to get access to the Wiedergeboren ahead of its reveal tonight. The crew's all setting up, ready for its little gala party. But I'll give you a rundown of the mechanicals of this thing and what it's all about. So, it's the brainchild of a guy from Canberra called Jason, who had a 991 Carrera S, found it a bit anaesthetised being a modern car, and wanted something a bit rawer. But at the time, this is about 7 years ago, there wasn't any guarantee you could get the likes of a Singer in Australia. So he went his own path, and this is the result. After a lot of work, a lot of investment, they have made Australia's own Resto mod. So underneath, this is a 1979 911 SC. Unlike Singer, which works with 964s, or Gunther Works, which works with 993s, this works typically with classic series 911s between 1974 and 1989. Although it can be done with any air-cooled 911. As you can see, it's a pretty special looking thing. The work's all done by a company in Adelaide. The car goes back to a complete bare chassis, put on a jig, made all square, made better than, better aligned than the factory ever did. And you can see the proof of that in the shut lines if I show you here. You can see they're really beautiful, perfectly consistent, very neat. The bodywork's all handcrafted. And at that point, I might as well tell you the damage. So the damage is 1.15 million Australian dollars plus GST plus your donor car. So, 150, 200K for a donor car. You're basically looking at probably about 1.5 million dollars Australian to have one to your specification. Only 10 of these will be made. This is number one. 10 will be made, all custom made to the owner's desires in terms of color and trim, which we'll get to in a moment. But let me talk to you about around the mechanical specification of this car. So this runs a 964 engine taken out to 3.8 litres. Let me just lift this up. There we go. So this is a 964 engine, but out to 3.8 litres. Torque rather than horsepower is the main focus. The engine is completely overhauled internally, new cams, conrods, pistons, runs Motec fuel injection. You're probably looking at around 350 horsepower, but again, they focus more on torque and drivability rather than chasing a peak power number. See, everything about this car is a bit of a work of art. It's so clean, it's so beautifully built. I'll just let you drink that in. Motec also runs all the ancillaries in the car. It's got modern air conditioning, modern heating, all run by a custom handmade lightweight wiring loom, which replaces the car's standard electronics. So the engine is matched to a Type 915 5-speed manual gearbox, strengthened internally, custom ratios, and a rear limited slip diff. Suspension is upgraded torsion bars, custom valved Coney shocks, and overhauled bushes and adjustable anti-roll bars as well. These rims are custom made in Canada. You can see there the Wiedergeboren logo. And obviously the name Wiedergeboren means reborn in German. I probably should have said that at the start, but that is the logic behind the name. Cool sort of Fuchs design, but also unique. This car is wearing Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tyres. Let's see, what have we got? We've got 245, 40 at the front, and where are we? 295, 30 at the rear. So quite a big footprint on a car that would only probably weigh a ton or so. Braking is done by Porsche Boxster calipers on 911 discs with adjustable bias though. The idea behind this car is that it is really a raw, back to basics driver's car, but with enough sort of modern tech, modern tyres, upgraded suspension, modern brakes, manual brakes, no power assisted brakes, no traction control, no ABS. This is very much a pure driver's car. Once again, look at these shut lines into body. Absolutely perfect. All the seals, perfect. Again, as you'd hope, given the amount of money, but let's have a look inside. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Custom trimming. Owners can have various colour combinations. Having been lucky enough to have been around some singers, this is same ballpark. I don't see a lot of differences really. If we're looking at the trimming on the dash, it's a beautiful object. And that's, oh, it smells new in here. Got these cool sort of dicky seats in the back with the custom tartan padding. Again, the Wiedergeboren logo on the seats. Custom seats, there's the 5-speed manual. The driving position is also overhauled, so you don't necessarily have to put up with the traditional classic Porsche 911 ergonomics, something a little bit friendlier. And that's kind of it really, so hopefully that's given you an idea of what the Wiedergeboren is all about. As I said, 10 will be made, about $1.4, $1.5 million each, including the donor car, GST and all that sort of thing. I've got to say, it's obviously a huge amount of money, but it is a truly beautiful object, which hopefully comes across in the video. Maybe one day I'll be lucky enough to drive one, we'll see. But until then, let me know in the comments what you think of Australia's own Porsche 911 Resto mod. Thanks for watching, see you next time.